Another position is this position. In this position, if it is the black's turn to move, he cannot avoid the failure. He is lost because he is seen in the former video. If black moves here or here, it is losing opposition. So in this position, he is losing opposition. He can't stand face to face. The opposition principle is that whenever you are facing face to face, the side which is going to move, the white king and the black king are facing face to face, and whose turn? If it is the white's turn, he will draw the game. If it is the black's turn, the black king will lose opposition and he will lose. Here, if it is the white to move, the white is the side which is losing opposition, and if it is the black, if the black side is to move, it is the black is losing opposition, and in this case the weak side is black, and if he is losing opposition, he is lost. Let's check one variation. King moves to e8. The pawn is pushed in the very next move, and the king can't remain in the 8th rank. The black king is pushed away from the 8th rank. He can't go here, he can't go here, and he can't go here. He can only come here. When the king come here, the white king will push himself forward, and again an opposition is formed with black to move, and black is moving away from the pawn because he can't come here, he can't come here, he can't come here. He can come to these 4 squares. Let's say he come here, and the queening can't be prevented. Okay, in this position we will examine if white losing the opposition, that is the side, the white side is to move. White king can't push himself forward, so he is obliged to move backwards, and the black king will win the opposition. The black king will oppose the white king here. Once again, the white is about to move. It's the white's turn to move. White king come here because it cannot move forward, and the black king opposes him. It is facing face to face. The black king is facing the white king face to face, and white king is pushed to sideways, and you know this position from the previous video, that the white the black king must go to the 8th rank. In this case, it is the e8 square to have the opposition in the next move. It is designed, this move is designed to catch the opposition to hold, because as you see, the white king, when bring himself into the front, the black king will oppose him face to face. Face to face he is opposing, so it will be a draw position, because if we will push the pawn, if the pawn is pushed, it is a stalemate position. You see, as you see in the former videos, the checking the king with the pawn, king moves here and king here, and it is a stalemate draw. So what you have learned from this video, the power of opposition. The whichever side, the weak side is black and the strong side is white. So if the opposition principle states that if the weak side losing the opposition, it will fail. In this case, the weak side is black. If black loses the opposition, if it can't stand face to face with the white king, it will lose immediately. and if it is the white king to move, the white king will lose opposition and he will forced to